Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. In this video series, I will be solving tough engineering mechanics problems. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Today's problem is a jib crane shown in figure is required to lift a load of 5 kN. Find the forces in jib and tie. The given jib crane is shown in this figure. There is a downward load of 5 kN acting like this, and angle between vertical and AC is 45 degrees. Angle between vertical and BC is 30 degrees, and distance between A and B is 2 meters. So by looking at this picture, we understand that BC will be under compression and AC will be under tension. So the forces and reactions at C can be represented as like this. So there is a W force load acting downwards, and FCB force in BC is acting towards this direction, and angle between FCB and W is 30 degrees. Similarly, FAC is acting towards this direction, and angle between FAC and W is 45 degrees. The forces and reactions at C can be represented like this. W is acting downwards, and FCB will be acting towards this direction, and angle between vertical and FCB equal to 30 degrees. And FAC is acting towards this direction, and angle between W and FAC equal to 45 degrees. So from this picture we can find that angle between FCB and W equal to 90 degrees plus 60 degrees, otherwise 180 degrees minus 30 degrees, that equal to 150 degrees. Similarly, angle between FAC and FCB will be 90 degrees plus 30 degrees plus 45 degrees, that equal to 165 degrees. Now let us apply Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem is FCB by sine 45 equal to FAC by sine 150, that is also equal to W by sine 165. So from this we get, from the first and the last term we get FCB equal to W into sine 45 divided by sine 165. So W equal to 5 kilonewton given in the problem. We get 5 into sine 45 by sine 165. We get FCB equal to 13.66 kilonewton. Similarly, from these two terms we get FAC equal to W into sine 150 by sine 165. So again W is 5 kilonewton. We get FAC equal to 5 into sine 150 by sine 165. So FAC equal to 9.66 kilonewton. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.